In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the sales returns in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now let's see how we can enter the sales returns in QuickBooks. We have a special area for that in QuickBooks, and that is under the customers. I can see this refunds and credits. For purchase returns, there is no specific area defined, so it's hidden in the enter bills. But for the sales returns, I can click on refunds and credits. And the transaction is returns 5 Civic headlights by Mr. Abu Bakr at the rate of 47,000 per unit. So let's select Abu Bakr here, and I'll choose the item, which is Civic headlights 5 at the rate of 47,000. Click OK. Let's change the date, 24th of January, and let's click on save and new. Now when I click on save and new, it will tell you that we have returned the item for this particular customer, but there is an available credit. Means what do you want to do with this credit? Either you want to refund him the amount or you want to retain it as available credit. That means we have the available credit of the customer with us. So whenever he want to purchase from us in future, we can settle that credit, or we can apply to an invoice. If the customer has existing pending invoice, what we can do is just reduce this amount from that particular invoice. So he only has to pay the remaining. So that's also nice. We will use this option. Click OK. And as I can see that there are 2 pending invoices and I have to settle 274,000. So out of this first one, we will settle 60,000, and out of the second, we will settle the remaining amount. So click OK. And out of the second, we are settling 175,000 out of 274,000. So click done. And now if you want to see the journal entry effect, go to reports and transaction journal. This is the journal entry effect. At the time of sale, it's receivable to sales. Now it's sales to receivables. Sales is debit and receivable is credit, and inventory is debit and cost of goods sold is credit. So this is the journal entry effect. And also the customer has only the pending balance remaining. So I'll go to the receive payments and select Abu Bakr. So we only have this amount due. It was 274,000 minus 175,000. So total pending was 99,000. So guys, this is how you can enter the sales returns in QuickBooks.